Welcome to the Extra Stock YouTube channel. If you'd invested Rs 10,000 in Suzlon Energy stock 10 years ago, here's how much you'd have today. If you had invested Rs 10,000 in Suzlon Energy 10 years ago, your investment would be worth 47,053 rupees today. This represents a staggering 370.5% return over 10 years. In comparison, the Sensex would have given you a return of 180.9% during the same period. Since its listing on the exchanges in 2005, the stock has experienced significant fluctuations in the market. Initially, the stock price fell by 98% by December 2019, but it has made a remarkable turnaround since then. By November 2024, the share price has surged by an impressive 3,091.6% compared to its all-time low in December 2019. Robust financial performance. Suzlon Energy Limited reported a consolidated revenue growth of 48% YOY, reaching 21 billion rupees in Q2 FY25, compared to 14.2 billion rupees in Q2 FY24. EBITDA increased by 31% to 2.94 billion rupees, with an EBITDA margin of 14.1% versus 16% in Q2 FY24. The profit after tax, PAT, surged by 96% YOY, reaching 2 billion rupees. While the net margin for the quarter stood at 9.5% versus 7.2% in Q2 FY24. Operationally, Suzlon delivered 256 megawatts in Q2 FY25, up from 132 megawatts last year, the highest Q2 delivery in 7 years. On the financial side, employee costs rose due to non-cash provisions related to ESOPs and annual increments. Finance costs also increased slightly due to processing fees for securing working capital against the NTPC project and the consolidation of Renam. The company secured its largest single order in the Indian wind industry from NTPC Green for 1.166 gigawatts, utilizing a plug-and-play approach. Its order book now exceeds 5 gigawatts, consisting entirely of firm orders backed by financial commitments. Recent development. In Q2 FY25, Suzlon acquired Renam, marking its entry into the multi-brand O&M sector, which will expand its fleet and enhance profitability. The company also monetized non-core assets, including its corporate office, for 4.4 billion rupees. It has established itself as the supplier of choice for PSU and CNI customers, focusing on high-quality orders with better margins. The company is exploring opportunities in adjacent sectors like energy storage, while prioritizing consolidation of its core wind energy business. Suzlon continues to invest in technology and organizational growth, with long-term client relationships serving as a key driver for repeat business and sustained success. What next? Suzlon anticipates wind installations of approximately 5 gigawatts for FY25, increasing to 6 to 7 gigawatts for FY26, and 9 to 10 gigawatts annually thereafter. This growth is driven by rising power demand from industrialization, urbanization, and e-mobility. The company's competitive edge lies in its comprehensive end-to-end offerings across the wind energy value chain. However, the industry commissioned around 1,476 megawatts in the first half of FY25, falling short of expectations due to severe monsoon disruptions. Management noted that several turbines are in the pre-commissioning phase and are expected to be completed in H2 FY25. While manufacturing capacity is not a constraint, project readiness may affect supply. Suzlon confirmed that its 5.1 gigawatts order book is on track for completion within the next 18 to 24 months. Supply for NTPC orders is set to begin by the end of Q2 FY25, with significant deliveries expected from Q4 onwards. The management remains confident in achieving a higher commissioning rate in H2 FY25, overcoming previous disruptions, and capitalizing on a strong order book. With a robust financial position and strategic growth initiatives, Suzlon is well positioned to seize emerging opportunities in the renewable energy sector. In conclusion, Suzlon Energy stands at the forefront of India's renewable energy revolution, leveraging its comprehensive expertise in wind turbine manufacturing, installation, and maintenance to drive the global transition to sustainable energy. With a strong order book and cutting-edge technologies, Suzlon is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for clean energy solutions worldwide. Firstly, the global push for decarbonization and increased demand for renewable energy sources is fueling the growth of the wind energy sector, creating ample opportunities for companies like Suzlon. Secondly, advancements in wind turbine technology, including more efficient and higher-yielding models, are helping reduce the cost of energy in making wind power more competitive with traditional energy sources, further accelerating its adoption. Thirdly, favorable government policies and increasing investments in renewable energy infrastructure are supporting the scaling up of wind energy projects globally, driving demand for Suzlon solutions across both domestic and international markets. As the company continues to innovate and expand its capacity, it is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping a cleaner, greener future. We encourage investors to stay updated on Suzlon's performance by reading its fact sheet and quarterly results, as it continues to build on its strong momentum and drive forward in the renewable energy space. Happy investing! The views and information expressed in this video are solely for informational and educational purposes. Extra Stock YouTube channel is not responsible for any investment decisions made based on this content. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing in the stock market involves risks, and losses may occur. Please do your own research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing.